Hello guys again. Today I'm going to show you my long-awaited Roman merchant ship, also called cargo ship. I got the main core from a YouTube user named Jerry R708 from his Crusader ship. He showed me how. And so I'll have the link to his video in the description below. Down there. And so yeah, thanks a lot for your support and everything in the creation of this. So as you can see, it's really hard because this is cardboard and then wood glue, brown paper strips, and then wood glue again. So several layers of that makes up the woodish look to it. So I'll start from the front. Here you have the front sail. Front view. Kind of see some of that cabling down there. Meant for that. There are anchors on each side. They do work. Both of them. And then I have a built-in storage. So you just take off the lid, and you can put whatever you want in there. I have some food, some pots, jars, a crate, and things like that. Some fish. And then the main sail, I did sew it myself. You can see some of the rigging there. Goes around there. That's on both sides. The door to like the cabin, you can also have storage in there. The balcony, I carved out all the little things. There's a little ladder there. Merchant, of course. And then on both sides you have the oars for steering. Some more gate work. And of course the swan at the end. This is clay. This is actually from an egg carton that I painted over. Wire throughout the whole thing and painted. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I got pretty much the whole model from, like, I looked at a picture in a book. You can see. So yeah, it's pretty accurate. So yeah, I spent a lot of time on it, and it looks really good with my harbor, which the video is coming. It just takes a little time. I built a lot of new houses. It looks a lot more Roman-ish and everything. I did a lot more work on it, so I've been kind of dividing my time in that, and of course school. So here you can see, guys can probably see the size of it according to the minifigures, but if you bring the Egyptian Playmobil ship, you can see the size proportion to that, how tall it is. So it's pretty good size. Bird's eye view scanning. The back. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe. Tell me if you like it. And if you want to know how I did some things, like for example,